This video's purpose is just to follow up with my prior video a few minutes ago. I put the multimeter on the battery. Battery has 12.51 volts. Turned the 12 volt power on with this battery disconnect. Still doing a click, click, click. That's the original circuit breaker that's been into the ignition system. This is the new one that I thought was giving a problem in the prior video to this, but apparently this is totally fine. The old one, original, is doing the same thing, but the problem is not with the circuit breaker. Again, I just changed it. Circuit breaker still doing the same thing, still doing the tick tick. How this transpired, the obvious, backing out of the garage, the car completely shut off, full power, etc. But I noticed this time 15 seconds passed, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and I say, what the hell, the power's not coming back on as it generally did in the past with this issue. So still, power doesn't want to come on. The power's there. But something is preventing power from getting past the battery to start the car, to the ignition switch. Now, it could be the ignition switch, but it's kind of strange to say that. I'm no electrician, but if it were the ignition switch, power's turned on. Okay. But power's not turning on the lights or anything. You know, let me try the headlights. I don't want to drain the battery. Headlights are on, low beam, but as you can see, they are not working. Dun, 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 dun. So it got worse as to where the car just won't start at all, as I felt that was going to eventually happen. But battery's good, so let me conserve it. Mike at H.E.I Performance, he feels this is my culprit, the new replacement MSD box. The problems began with the first cap, not really cap, I'm so sorry, with the first rotor that came with this Hypertech cap and rotor and coil set. That blew, but the car still ran. I posted that video on YouTube. This happened maybe 7-8 months ago after this new box replaced the old one. So what I'm gonna do moving forward, I'm gonna unplug the distributor / motor from the MSD box. And what I'm gonna do is the power, this is the ground, but the orange power wire, I'm gonna connect that to a 12 volt keyed only source and delete this MSD box, see if I still have these issues. Now the coil, not really the coil, I'm so sorry, the module that came in this H.E.I Performance H.E.I distributor is at Tom Tracy's shop. That's the gentleman's shop where we swapped out these boxes. But anyway, So far, so good. I'm not stranded anywhere in the street. I appreciate that, God, Jesus Christ. And I'm going to continue to move forward. Like I said, deleting this new possible culprit MSD box. And you know what I'm going to do? Instead of deleting the MSD, I'm going to plug back in, wire back in the original MSD-6AL-2. And the reason why I bought this new unit is because the dowels were deformed when my car was at a shop or two. I don't know exactly what shop was responsible, but you see, these are new. And MSD told me that they would replace the dowels in the one that I removed from here for about 90 bucks and ship it back to me. So I said, you know what? Save a lot of time and trouble, Chris. Just buy a new one. Hey! So again, moving forward, my H.E.I Performance feels it's this. A couple of other guys feels it's this. So I'm gonna put back the old MSD box, which the rev limiter is non-adjustable because the plastic dowels are so deformed. You turn the dial all day, the rev limiter stays at, I think, 4,400. Is stuck there. The purpose of replacing it with this new unit. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna swap out MSD boxes first. Then, if I still have these issues, I'm gonna delete MSD and run the distributor coil off 12-volt power instead of through the MSD box. So anyway, that's it for now. God bless you and your entire family. Have a great week ahead, and I will post an update when there's an update. Peace and love.